Sino yan?
Hindi ka alam.
Sino yan?
Oh. Teta. Teta! Sampal ko ta!
Oh, who's that?
Hindi awal Godzilla!
I can sense a new monster is approaching. I think he is strong. I can't wait to see him. Oh, Violante is here. And he is also aware that someone is coming. Di ba, Violante? Sak. Nakakasense daw sila ng may darating na monster. May darating na monster, di ba? Shimo? Yes. Someone is coming. Someone's new. Mecha Godzilla. Oh, look who's here. Scar King is scared. He is now the Scare King. Yeah! Absolutely. Someone is coming near. And I can't wait. I want to punch him. Look at that boy. He is too busy. Busy boy.
And we're gonna do a challenge where we each have to spend downstairs alone with the doll for at least 10 seconds. And whoever screams is
Hindi mo hintayin yung bagong cocoon. There. Pok. Who. Sak. Come here. Sak has no idea that someone is inside the bag. Yeah. I will tell him who's on the bag. Sak! Tawag ka na Godzilla. Talk to Godzilla. Sak! Kunin mo yung cocoon sa bag. Sa blue bag. Sa bag ng papa mo.
This one.
There's the cocoon.
There's the
cocoon.
The cocoon.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. Dito.
Tita, suntok ko na to. Mama!
Upo ka.
Ay! I'm a Godzilla. Ay! Mama! Inside the cocoon. Bubble wrap.
Wow.
It's slow.
They are waiting. They are watching.
So many cocoon. What the?
No.
So many cocoon.
They are coming. They're gone. Nawala sila sa likod mo. Saan sila napunta? Ayun, dyan na sila lahat. Inaabangan yan. They are waiting. Mahirap bang buksan? I'll help you.
Sino yan?
Hindi ka alam.
Sino yan?
Oh. Teta. Teta! Sampal ko ta!
Wow! Who's that?
Hindi awal Godzilla! Sana all my... Sabi ka na may punganga siya.
Show it to the camera.
Yes!
Buksan mo. Tanggalin mo sa plastic. Wow! Ha? Laki ano? Malaki siya ano? Naku! Wow! He is bigger than your Godzilla kasi evolved na siya.
Papa niya yan eh. Pang papa niya. I'm eat you guys.
Wow! Meron ka ng evolved Godzilla.
Paano ma-open?
Hindi na open yata yan.
I can see.
Oh my goodness. I am the new. What's that?
Oh, yun.
Meron siyang ano.
Kay ano?
Yung fire.
Kay ano na lang yan?
Fire breath.
Kasi naman...
Atomic breath. Ha? Atomic breath.
Ang galing!
Dito, ikabit mo kay Evolve. Hawakan mo si Evolve. Meron siyang fire. Paano yan? Ito. Ito. There. Fire breath. Show it to your viewers. Yan is fire. Is fire. Hey, yo, you don't have like this atomic breath. He is too big, no? Laki niya, no? Oh. Wow. Meron din siya dito sa elbow, oh. No?
Parang si Evolved Godzilla na totoo.
Parang si Evolved Godzilla na totoo. Well, ano sabi ng mga friends niya? Welcome to the family! You happy? Happy ikaw?
13 na sila kaso. Isa pa guys.
Kapag guys, ano?
Si ano.
Baka sabihin ng mga viewers mo, mas inuna pa yung toys mo kaysa pambili ng sando mo.
Oh, yo.
Ayos ba? Okay?
The
Okay.
next video is Beast Club ko.
Weh, kung may pambili ka.
Si Papa. Pag-board siya to.
May pambili ka, tamisando mo.
Ewan na. Ewan na to. Hindi man right yung sayo ko to. I'm a atomic breath.
Okay, sino yung kalaban yan? Sila, Scar King, ano? Sabi mo. Okay, guys. Hawakan mo ganyan. Babay ka na sa mga...
Bye! See you tomorrow!
Thank you for watching!
Thank you for watching! See you tomorrow or next video tomorrow.
And don't forget to...
Subscribe!
Para may pambili ng...
Beast Club ko.
Guys.
Maganda yung Beast Club ko doon, guys. Nakabili na kayo dito ng mga Godzillas, guys. Ang mga ganda to abili to sa Maynila, guys.
Hold mo ganon. Tapos smile ka. Bye-bye!
Bye! Bye!